Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ecom Himalaya, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can create an automatic backup of your WooCommerce or WordPress website. And it is very essential to create a backup, guys. Sometimes what is going to happen, you are going to receive an update of your theme or plugin, and those updates are not going to get stable, due to which you can lose your website, guys. So it is very essential to create a backup of your website so that you can retrieve your website and can save all the hassle that you have to go through from dealing with that problem, guys. So in today's video I will show you exactly how you can do that, guys. And for those who are new to this channel, we are actually creating a playlist on how to create an e-commerce or dropshipping website from scratch, the one that you can see right now on my screen. The best part is that you don't need to have any coding knowledge. I've already created a playlist. The link for that playlist will be in description below and in icon button above. This is our 16th video in the same series, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an automatic backup of your WordPress or WooCommerce website, guys. So the first thing that you need to do is log in into our website, guys. As you can see, I have created a local host in my PC, which means I can edit and create this website on my PC. So in order to log in into your website, you need to enter your domain followed by wp admin. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to dashboard, guys. Here, let me dismiss few of them. So here I'm redirected to the dashboard, guys. Once I am redirected to the dashboard, then you need to obviously enter your credential and then you redirected to the dashboard. Once you are redirected to the dashboard, you need to go to plugin, and here I need to click on add new. So once I click on add new, I'll be redirected to this page, and here I need to enter updraft, guys. So once I click on updraft, it will look like this, and here I need to click on install now. Once I click on install, now I'll be getting an option to activate it. Once I'll activate it, I'll be redirected to this page. Once I activate it, guys, I'll be getting this option, guys, here, updraft at the top, and I'll click on backup and restore, guys. Once I click on backup and restore, I'll be redirected to the updraft plugin page, home page. And it is going to look like this. Okay, stop this one, and here I'll be getting all these options, guys. In order to make sure that everything is working correctly, I have done few settings, which is why you are able to see all the existing backup data is available. But if you have freshly downloaded this plugin, then you won't be able to see any backup here, guys. So here I am getting an option for backup now. If I click on this backup now, it is going to create a backup of this website. But this process is going to be a manual process, because each time I have to click on this backup now button in order to create a backup of that website. I don't want that. But what I really want, I want it to create an automatic backup. So for that, I'll go to the settings, guys, and here I'm getting an option to backup. There it is selected as manual, so I'll click on this, and here I'll be getting an option for daily, weekly, monthly, and even on the basis of time. On your requirement, you can do that. Mostly I do daily basis, which is more good. And here it is also mentioning retain this many scheduled backups, which essentially means that suppose and today is 17. Okay, let's suppose if I created a backup today and tomorrow. So if I create a backup on 19, then it is automatically going to delete the backup that I have created on 17. So we want that. We don't want our drive or our space to get filled with so many backups. 2 backups are more than enough. In case if you wanted to retain more backup, then in that case you can put 3 or any number that you want. But in my cases, in most of the cases, 2 is more than enough, guys. So here, once you create a backup, guys, it is very essential to store that backup somewhere, right? So in order to store that backup, we want to store it in Google Drive. Here I'm getting all this option. You can click any option that you want from here, but I'll usually prefer Google Drive, guys. Once you click on Google Drive, here this is mentioning that the Google Drive folder that it is going to create is going to be updraft. And in order to authenticate it, Google, you need to sign in with Google for sure. And I need to click all these options. Okay, so what I want to create a backup of, I want to create a backup of plugin, themes, uploads, and any other directory that is inside WP content. Okay, Once I click on that, I am checking this option. Okay. And here, as you can see, my admin email is this. So there is one more important thing that I wanted to tell you. In the starting of this playlist, while we were installing WordPress, I've told you to use Gmail email ID for some reason. This is the exact reason, guys, because what we wanted to create, we want our backup to be stored in our Google Drive, guys. So if you are not using any other email ID rather than Gmail, then in that case you won't be able to authenticate it, guys. For that reason, you need to use Gmail email account as your admin email account. And let's suppose if you have not used any of this, if you have any other email ID, then in that case you can change it, guys. So in order to change it, you all you need to do, go to settings and click on journal, and here we'll be getting an option to change our admin email ID, guys. So here, as you can see, this administrator email ID, I can change it from here, and once I click on save, then it is going to authenticate it, and after that your admin email ID is going to get changed and you can use this. Okay. So if you want Updraft to send you an email once it has successfully created a backup, then you can click on that, and then I'll click on save changes, guys. Once I click on save changes, it is going to authenticate the Google. Okay, so there are some permissions that needs to be permitted so that our Updraft is can successfully create a backup on our Gmail Google Drive. Okay. So once I click on sign in with Google, then I'm going to get the screen here. I'll click on this because this is the email ID that is available. Once I click on this, then I'll be permitting all the options that are available. Click on allow, and then it is going to get done. Let's click on complete setup. Okay. So let's see. It has authenticated this successfully, guys. Here. Okay. Close. Okay, so it has authenticated successfully, guys. Okay, so there are few more things that I wanted to tell you before. So let's suppose it has created a backup. If I click on backup now, it is going to create a backup, guys. I'll click on backup now, and backup now. Okay, so it is starting to request the backup. There is one more thing that I wanted to tell you. Just a minute. Okay, so here I am entering into my Google Drive, guys. If you don't know how to enter your Google Drive, it is very easy. You will go to this page, and here you'll be getting a grid option here. Here you'll be getting this grid option, guys. You'll click on this, and then I'll be getting an option for drive. Once I click on this, I'll be entering in my drive, guys. So my drive is going to look like something like this. Just a minute here. Okay, so once the backup has been created successfully, you will be getting this option. In case you are not able to see any backup in the updraft, that essentially means that the updraft has not created any backup as of now. Okay, so once I click on this, and here I can see all this backup that is available for you. Okay, so here it has also mentioned the date. So what I can do, so here, as you can see, it has also mentioned the date. So what I can do, I'll click on this backup. Okay, so here, there are only 5 backup that updraft will create, and I'll show you what exactly this is. The first one is going to be database, other, plugin, theme, and upload. So if I have this backup, and let's suppose if I have to migrate my website, if I have to restore my website, so then in that case, I will click on all these 5 backup, and then I'll click on, and then I'll click on download. Okay. Once I click on download, it is going to provide me a zip file, guys. So that zip file that it is going to provide me, I can simply that zip file that it is going to provide me, I can simply unzip it. Once I unzip it, it is going to look like this, as you can see here. Okay, so let me show you how you can upload it. From here, I'll click on upload backup files. Okay, Then I'll do this. I'll upload this. And here, as you can see, it is uploading each and everything. And once it is uploading each and everything, then it is going to look like this. Okay. Suppose in any case I wanted to delete a certain backup, then I'll click on this one and then I'll click on delete. It will delete from remote storage as well. Okay. I'll delete this one as well. Okay. So that is how it is going to get deleted. Okay. So here I'll also show you. If I click on backup now, then I'm getting this option that the backup can only be deleted manually. So I have told you about the retention limit. So if it has been the third backup, then the first backup is going to get deleted. So in any case, if you don't want it to get deleted, then in that case you can click on this one and then create a backup. Then in that case, this backup is not going to get deleted. Okay. So that is all about Updraft, guys, and this is how you can create an automatic backup on your website. So once it has already been completed, you'll be getting all this option, guys. Once I click on this one, then I can click on restore. Okay. So once I click on restore, so sometimes what is going to happen, let's suppose I have updated a certain plugin and my website is not working fine with that backup. So what I can do, I can just click on plugin, because all other things are already fine. I just wanted to restore that plugin. So for that, I can click on plugin and then I can click on next. Let's suppose if I have updated a theme and there is certain functionality that is not working on that theme, then in that case, what I can do, I can just click on theme only. Okay. And in any case, if I wanted to restore each and everything, then I will click on each and everything and then I'll click on next, and then that is how I'll be able to restore all of the website from that backup, guys. So this is how you can easily restore the backup. You can create a backup, you can set it automatically and can store it in a drive. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how we can migrate our website from localhost to the online server. The process is going to be same if you wanted to change from one hosting to another hosting. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next one, guys. Bye bye.